good, Kelly. Don't
No,
want it
beer
affecting
more
beer.
expensive? Ugh, the
Ah,
worst.
I mean, we'll still drink it, but
Yeah.
yes. Hey, another rainy day out there. Doesn't sound like it's gonna let up though.
Yeah, we're still stuck under these rain showers, at least through the afternoon. I do see tonight we get some dry time back, so hopefully there's that. Maybe a drink on the patio later tonight. Still a chilly day, though. You can see those gray skies over Portland, rain showers around the city. Roads are wet out there, so do drive carefully and grab the rain jacket. Mid-40s right now in Portland, and we've not really warmed up much since this morning. We've really been sitting there in the low to mid-40s. So without some daytime heating, if these clouds don't break apart, I see a better chance that we just stick with rain showers this afternoon and fewer thunderstorms. But we're still fairly active out there these next couple of days, and a good chance that we do track some storms heading into tomorrow. But there's the rain, a big patch of it right over the valley. Fewer showers out towards the coastline. Still tracking some snow out over the Cascades right now. They've picked up about an inch the last few hours or so out to Mount Hood. But there's a look at that rain. Some heavier showers now pushing right through Portland from the south towards the north, areas of Vancouver, I-5, I-205, also out to Highway 26, I-84. Really all interstates seeing that heavy rain. So be careful driving out there. Here's our futurecast as we head our way into today. This patchy rain should start to push out, but we'll still see some pockets of potentially heavier downpours, and again, still a chance for a weak thunderstorm heading into today. There's a look at tonight. We do dry out, so that moisture pushes out the door. I do see some dry time likely after 7 or 8 o'clock. These showers really start to taper off, and overnight likely a dry night ahead for us. Now come Wednesday, that's when we see a second system rolling in, and this is going to push in some colder air and drive it down towards the surface. That again will create convection, and tomorrow we do see a very unstable atmosphere, and with that the chance for some stronger storms to roll through. Just look at how many of those pockets of heavy rain cells and scattered storms we could see tomorrow. First for the coast, then we start to see these storms spreading into the valley as we head towards closer to our evening time, maybe late afternoon, early evening tomorrow. So on your commute home, there's a chance that we see some heavier downpours, even thunderstorms heading into our Wednesday here. Now that system then works out the door Thursday. We're under another quick system that will push in just another round of some storms and scattered showers here heading into Thursday. So real unsettled conditions this afternoon. Through about Thursday, Friday, we do see some of those showers tapering off. But again, when we track thunderstorms, we look at this thing called convective available potential energy, called CAPE, and we see that around the valley heading into today. What's noticeable is tomorrow's forecast of CAPE. That's when we see some stronger values of this potential energy around Portland. So these thunderstorms could rev up and become slightly stronger heading into tomorrow. And right now we do still have a marginal risk of some severe storms, which just means these storms may produce some damaging weather here. Could see some larger hail and also some damaging winds with some stronger wind gusts within those storms. So again, that threat also includes Portland, really the I-5 corridor and then west out towards the coast. Some impacts to expect tomorrow. Really, that's when we can see this more active weather are those heavier rain showers, some lightning and thunder, hail, possibly some stronger winds, and even a brief weak tornado. That is not out of the question. Don't expect to see a tornado, but a chance that we could see one here somewhere around the region if these storms again are strong enough. So we're going to track that going into our Wednesday. Today, of course, rain showers and a possible weaker isolated storm. Right now, the coast looking fabulous. You can see some blue skies out there, and the coast has dried out. And heading into tonight again for the valley, we are expecting some drier conditions too, but our highs today likely topping off in the low 50s. It will be a cooler day. Here's a 7-day forecast, so still unsettled through Thursday. Temperatures likely hovering in the 50s, but right now I do see some drier moments. So the weekend shaping up pretty nicely now. Looking at a drier trend, possibly some more mild conditions. So that's kind of the dry stretch I've been talking about and hoping for. I think this weekend we'll be able to make some plans to head back outside, mid-60s. That doesn't sound too bad.
I'm liking how these weather models are changing.
I know, right?
Yes.
So it's kind of nice to see that back in the forecast.
It is. We've got the big Solve event this weekend.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
Yeah, maybe a good day for that. All right, we'll be right back with more news and a final check on the forecast. Looks pretty wet up at the mountain.
It is very snowy up there.